whole dried red chili in warm water until turns soft. Add soaked whole dried red chili, cumin seeds, salt, garlic cloves, red chili powder and water. Grind to a smooth paste. Red chili garlic chutney is ready. Add oil, black mustard seeds, turmeric, garlic cloves and salt. Add boiled potatoes, coriander leaves and tempering. Mix well. Make balls as shown. Add gram flour, red chili powder, turmeric, salt and water. Mix well to make batter. Ensure the batter is of consistency as shown. Dip potato balls in the batter and deep fry them on medium temperature. Fry until vada turns golden color. Vada are ready. Apply chili garlic chutney on inside of a bun on both sides. Stuff vada in the bun. Pan sear the vada pav in butter, red chili powder and coriander leaves on low to medium flame. Vada pav is ready. Smash the like button if you like this recipe video. For more recipes, subscribe Flavors Family.